How to fix cellular connection issue detected on iPhone. Let's get started. First, launch your Settings app. Now navigate to the option Cellular. Scroll all the way down and head over to the option Reset Statistics. Click on this option, then you can head back. Enable for this option airplane mode, wait for a few minutes and then disable it. With this, your issue might be fixed. Next thing you want to do is head over to the option General. Scroll down and navigate to the option VPN and Device Management. Make sure you are not connected to any VPN. In case you are connected, disconnect to it. Then you can head back. Click on the option Software Update. If you found out any existing updates over here, just update your device software to its latest version. If these solutions didn't work out for you, eject your SIM card and again reinsert it. Following these steps, you'll be good to go. Your cellular connection issue will be fixed. If this guide helped you out, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.